Welcome back to the channel, everybody. It's Mike here, the FPV Evil Monkey, and today, guys, I am going to be unboxing, as promised, the new Aquila. This is the 7-inch frame that was sent to me courtesy of Mile High Multicopters right here. So definitely go and check them out at milehigh3d.com. So the frame kit comes with all the bolts that you're going to need. Comes with your standoffs, and even comes with a couple little LEDs right there for you, and everything that you're going to need to put this together. Also included a bunch of 3D prints, so my arm guards, I've got a couple for my camera, the front bumper for the frame, a GoPro mount, and there's a whole bunch of other ones in there, but for different setups depending on what kind of camera you're going to use and things like that. So let's go ahead and open up the package here, and let's take a look at what we have in the box. So first, let's look at the front arms. So these are how they connect, and these are really thick arms. They're regular carbon fiber, and these are 6 millimeters, so they're nice and thick arms for long range. That's one of the issues I had with my previous frame, is that the arms were not thick enough, and it caused a lot of oscillations and vibrations that I had to tune out. So there's that, and then here's the back arms. So those look really nice. The carbon fiber, it looks very nice and smooth. You can see it's been nice and smoothed out, so it's not rough or anything like that, which is very nice. So we'll go ahead and set these aside here, and then let's go ahead and let's take a look at the rest. So we're going to have our two bottom plates now. The way that this works is you have a bottom plate, and then you have the arms go in between the two plates. So that's basically how it works. So here is, I'm trying to look at the diagram here. So let's see, I believe this one, or one of these, I don't know, I think they're actually the same. They're the same. Okay, so sorry. Alright, so yeah, so the arms will basically split in between here and sit. They kind of sandwich in. So that's kind of nice, so that way you can actually remove the arms and take them out. So the top and, or I guess just bottom plate, we'll call it the bottom and mid plate. These are both 3 millimeter. So, and then you have your top plate here, and this is a 2 millimeter carbon fiber. And again, really nice carbon fiber. You can see, bring it up close if you guys can tell. Nice and smooth cut. It's not rough or anything like that. I hate that when you get a frame and it's the carbon fiber is kind of like sharp, and you can tell that they didn't do a really good job of like sanding it down or getting any of the perfections out or anything like that. So this looks really nice. I'm really impressed by it. You can just tell that it's good carbon fiber, so I think it's going to hold up, and you know, I'm like putting a lot of pressure on it, and I don't think this is going to be breaking anytime soon. These arms, these things are super thick, so hoping these will hold up. Yeah, so I'm pretty impressed by that. So that's pretty much it for the unboxing of the frame. Again, comes with the instructions here. You can see my notes that I've left here, so it shows you exactly how to assemble it. And then up on the top, they provide how many screws you should have, where they should go, things like that. It also gives you instructions on how to actually assemble the actual frame itself, which is nice. I hate that when you get frames and they just send you a picture, but they don't tell you like how it should be assembled or anything like that. So that's nice. I like that it kind of takes you step by step. So I'm going to try and do a build video for you guys. So for this build, I'm going to be using my Zing 2208 1800 kV motors. I'm going to be using a Maytech F405 CTR flight controller. It's an all-in-one flight controller. For my ESCs, I'm using SpeedX 30 amps. For my camera, I'm using my famous Foxeer Predator camera. And then for VTX, I chose a Team Black Sheep Unify, the 5.8 gigahertz high voltage long range VTX, and then for my receiver, I'm going to be using the Team Black Sheep Nano receiver. So that is with the obviously Immortal T. So looking forward to that. So that's all I have for the unboxing, guys. So far, everything looks pretty good. So once I get it all together and start the build process, I'll let you guys know. Thanks for watching, guys, and stay tuned for the next video, which will be probably the maidening, and then I'll do the build video at a later time. So thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching. As always, let's keep those drones up in the air, flying high. I'll talk to you guys later.